Hello and welcome to the GG Show. Yes, it's me. I am back indeed. You might remember me from classics such as 5 Signs That Were Turning Singaporean, How to Make Chinese Spring Onion Pancake, or A Morning Walk by the River. Well, of course, as a good YouTuber, I will link all those videos in the description box below. But today we are going to switch gears a little bit and we are going to talk about winter in Cyprus. We have lived in Cyprus for almost a year now. This is our first winter, and I thought I'd make a video to show the pros and cons, probably more of the pros, of living in Cyprus in winter. It is mid-February now, and I think if you ask anyone living in Cyprus right now, what is it like? They're going to say, it is cold. If you look at the weather forecast, you might wonder, but it doesn't look that cold. The lowest temperatures are maybe 4 or 5, 6 degrees, and the highest temperatures during the day can be 16, 17, sometimes even 18. So why do people think it's cold? Well, the reason is that the houses are cold. The houses are built for summer and the insulation is not very good or non-existent. There's no central heating most of the time. It's just cold. The water is cold. There isn't a lot of sun. And so it's not that pleasant indoors. However, I think the key to a happy life in Cyprus in February is to go outside. Outside you will find still beautiful weather. I mean, there are rainy days and they're not nice. But if it's sunny, it's still beautiful, and you can get a mix of this closed down seaside town charm, melancholic charm. Also, you can see beautiful nature if you go walking, and I thought that's what I'll focus on today, and that's what I'll show you. So the other day I went walking by the seaside. This area is normally a very popular tourist area with a lot of hotels. It's usually quite busy, people out drinking coffees. But yeah, on a February morning, it is rather empty, a bit chilly, but still kind of beautiful. So have a look at this. Cold. And this weekend we also did several hikes. So on Saturday we went on the Mintis Trail, which was really nice, and I'll show you some of those beautiful views there.
I went
trail that we did was the Kathikas Trail, which is also near Paphos, only a 20-minute drive or so. Yeah, check it out. It's absolutely stunning. It's so green, which you will not find in summer. In summer, everything is so dry and burnt. And it also would be too hot to hike during the day. So you would have to either hike very early morning, put on a lot of sunscreen and, you know, sun hat and all that. So it's not as pleasant, but yeah, hiking in winter is perfect.
Is that? I'm very happy.
So overall, would I recommend being in Cyprus in winter? For tourists visiting, maybe not, because the weather can be a bit hit and miss. And if you book a week where it's raining most of the time, it will be quite unpleasant, and there's not much to do when the weather is bad. I mean, this is really an outdoor country because the weather's good most of the time. But yeah, when it's bad, I don't know. You can go bowling. You can go to a restaurant. Yeah, not that much to do. To live here, it's not so bad. I mean, you have to deal with all the cold, and you have to try and keep your house as warm as you can and keep yourself as warm as you can somehow. I would say the key is to get out as much as possible, enjoy the sun when it's there. That's February life in Cyprus. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again for another Cyprus video soon. Goodbye.